It's Joe B. Trying to do a video for analysis. Just fly over the game really quick. Bird opening. Call it the Geoff variation. And I really proving here certain techniques, but I admit that a mistake was made on my part, which is not okay, but I won anyway. So let's go into this and get some clarity on the whole scene about what is to happen, but I really wish to understand it more than anyone. So for this Geoff variation, it's odd because knight c6 was played. I'm waiting for other moves to go into the major variations. So this very much indeed is a sideline. And for whatever reason it is that knight c6 was chosen by them is good because it's a line less explored by myself. So here, what I'm pushing for is complete repertoire. So to elucidate the plans of everything. So, I mean, obviously they want to tuck their bishop away. So then I play g4, and then it ends up perfect, the whole system. I'm binding up the e5 square. You can see I have a pawn on it now from the flank pawn on f, and I have the knight on it, and they have one knight, but with bishop d6, which is what they didn't play yet, I could play b4, and then if they play e5, then I can play b5, hitting one of the defenders away. So that's why they can't still break yet, and then now they definitely can't break yet. And then they castle, which is a move, and I really think the root error of this game is that knight e5 was supposed to be played by me here, because after this business, then the break is possible. So knight jumping into e5 is supposed to be played. So the rest of the game, I mean, I wouldn't even watch if I were you, but it continued like this, and my mistake here is that queen to c3 hits both the knight and the mating square on g7, so I would have won a piece because queen c3, then one could observe knight c to e5 takes, actually it's still not certain. I don't know, but I ended up winning the game. I have no idea. I have no idea. It doesn't even matter. Because why would one pull up the weed from the crest rather than pull it from the root, which is a primordial part of the game, and nothing else matters, because next time I'll play knight e5 right here. So rather than knight bd2, just play knight e5, and then knight c can't capture because it's a resultant pawn fork. Alright, so that's the error. And we're also threatening to take on c6, not that we would want to, maybe. But knight e5 just totally destroys any option of breaking, and then we have more space. So hoping to develop this further one day.